Advanced Functions, Lesson 9, Inequalities. Let's solve a linear inequality first. Solving a linear inequality is very similar to solving a linear equation. 2x plus x is greater than 3 plus 1, 3x greater than 4, x is greater than 4 over 3. Notice that you are allowed to divide both sides of an equation only by a positive number. If I ask you to solve this inequality, you say 5x minus 7x is greater than 1, minus 2x is greater than 1. You're not allowed to divide it by negative 2. If you divide by negative, you have to change the direction of the inequality. That means x is less than negative 1 over 2. So if a is smaller than 0 and c is greater than b, then ac is smaller than ab. When you times or divide both sides of an inequality with a negative number, the direction of inequality changes. Let's have another example. 2x minus 1 divided by 3 is smaller than 5 and bigger than negative 1. Bigger or equal than negative 1. To solve this, we have to isolate x. We times everything by 3. 3 is a positive number. We are allowed to do so. Add everything by 1. We have 2x smaller or equal than 8 and bigger than negative 2. We divide it by 2, x between negative 1 and 4. How do we solve a nonlinear inequality? To solve a nonlinear inequality, we make it an equation first and we find the x values. X is 0 or x is 4. We partition real numbers using 0 and 4. We make this table, which is called interval chart or sign chart. At 0 and 4, x2 minus 4x is 0. Now we pick a random number less than 0. Let's say negative 7. We plug it into x2 minus 4x. We have a positive number. Between 0 and 4, let's say x equals 1. If we plug it in, we get 1 minus 4 minus 3, negative. And more than 4, let's put 5. 25 minus 20 is positive. Therefore, x2 minus 4x is positive when x is less than 0. It is negative when x is between 0 and 4. And it is positive when it is more than 4. That means the solution set of the given inequality is from negative infinity to 0 or from 4 to positive infinity. Therefore, for solving inequality, we have basically two different methods. If it is linear, we isolate x, and we notice whenever we divide by negative or times by negative, the direction of inequality changes. And when it is nonlinear, what we do is we are using interval chart or sign chart. We partition the real numbers with using the zeros, or when if we deal with fractions when it is undefined, and we see what the sign of the expression is in each part. Thank you.